Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you very much for coming so I could share the giveaway that I won. I won this from Sharon at From Cheap to Chic, and I'm so happy that she sent it to me, but I was a little concerned about the package. That's why I peeked into it. It came in a large bubble mailer, and the substitute mail lady that I had that day, or mail person, folded it completely in half and jammed it into my mailbox. It wouldn't even fit. It was sticking out the end, and I was not happy about that. So I did peek in here to make sure everything was okay. And of course, Sharon did send my giveaway prize, but she also sent me some extras, and one of them, and this was what was rattling around in there. I thought something was broken, and it's my Reese's Pieces, my favorite candy. Thank you so much, Sharon. Um, I really appreciate it. And this is what I won, I think. And she was giving away, let me untape that, some distress inks that she got. And here's a card on top. Let me open the card. And it says, Merry Christmas. Oh, wishing you a magical Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Sharon, 2025. Thank you very much. Look at this. Let me see her little note. Hi, Diana. Congrats. Sorry so late, and thanks for your patience. I sent extra inks I had. Love, Sharon. Yeah, that's not all you sent. Look at a McDonald's gift card. Thank you very much. You don't even know how many nights I don't feel like cooking. So this is just great. Thank you, especially at the holidays. So let's peek in here. These are the inks. And oh, look, this is what I want. This set here of the purples. Let's see, milled lavender, wilted violet, shaded lilac, and villainous potion. And I have one purple, I think it's called Concord Grape. And that's the only purple that I had. So thank you very much for these. Let me see. Let me be in frame for this video. Thank you, thank you. And this is also what was rattling around in here. Nice tissue paper, too. She sent me all of these extras. There must be 10 of them here. Let's see. Rustic Wilderness. That's a green. This one, Kitsch Flamingo. Neat. A pink one. And this one, Crackling Campfire. I don't have any of these. Peeled Paint. I do have that one. So that's an extra. Thank you. Squeezed Lemonade. I like that one. Speckled Egg. That looks like a light blue. And this one is Fossilized Amber. Don't mind that crazy laughter in the background. It's the boys gossiping, probably. Cracked pistachio and dried marigold. Oh, I love them. Thank you so much, Sharon. Thank you for my candy and my gift card. You really didn't have to, honey. It was so, so good to hear your voice when I talked to you on the phone. We talked for like an hour and over an hour, and I could have talked to her probably all afternoon catching up because we haven't talked for a long time. She's had a terrible year this past year. I'm sure she is very happy to welcome 2026 in. So keep Sharon in your prayers, and I am going to too, Sharon. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time with something new.